Atletico Madrid trained at the Vicente Calderón Stadium on Wednesday in preparation for the first leg of their Europa League last 16 tie against Besiktas. Manager Diego Simeone has included 3 members of the second team to cover a number of key players missing. Despite the absences, Simeone is upbeat. The team is doing well. The other day in Seville, we also missed 4 important players and the team put on a good show, as you described it. We don't stop to think who we're missing, but rather we value who we have available. Although some consider Atletico as favourites, midfielder Gabi is aware of the dangers the Turkish team presents. We have a lot of respect for Besiktas because they have a great team with fantastic players. But as he said before, we're Atletico de Madrid. Every team respects us for the work we do. Tomorrow is a real final for us. With our fans, our people, it's going to be a very important game for us. Besiktas, who have reached the 3rd round of the European competition for the first time in the club's history, are hoping to take advantage of the experience 5 of their players have had in Spain, including Simão Sabrosa, who played for Atletico between 2007 and 2010. On Thursday, we'll find out if the Turkish side will be able to get the better of the tournament's 2010 champions, who come into the tie having won 5 games straight.